What if I told you the biggest upgrade to your Tesla isn't happening inside the car, but inside your phone? Right now, Tesla is quietly rolling out one of its most powerful updates ever, a complete transformation of the Tesla mobile app. And most people don't even realize what's coming. This isn't just a redesign. This is Tesla turning your smartphone into a full control hub, an AI assistant, and potentially even an app platform that could rival your car's entire infotainment system. And if the roadmap holds true, 2026 could be the year Tesla changes how we interact with cars forever. Let's start with what's happening right now. Tesla has begun updating the back end of its mobile app, something most users won't notice at first, but it's incredibly important. Instead of just being a remote control for locking doors or checking battery percentage, the app is evolving into a real-time command center. Owners are starting to see faster response times, smoother animations, and more reliable connectivity between their phone and vehicle. That alone may not sound revolutionary, but it lays the foundation for everything else that's coming next. One of the biggest shifts is deeper control integration. Previously, Tesla app controls were somewhat limited. You could precondition the cabin, honk the horn, or flash lights. But now, Tesla is expanding that into more granular controls. We're talking about advanced climate scheduling, smarter charging management, and even predictive suggestions. Imagine your Tesla learning your daily routine and automatically preparing the car before you even open the app. That's where Tesla is heading, automation powered by AI. And yes, AI is becoming a major part of this update, with Elon Musk pushing heavily into artificial intelligence across all Tesla products. The mobile app is expected to become your personal Tesla assistant. Future updates could allow voice commands directly through your phone, smart recommendations based on your driving habits, and even integration with Tesla's broader AI ecosystem. Think about asking your phone, "Is my car ready for a road trip?" and getting a detailed answer about battery health, tire pressure, charging stops, and weather conditions. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Tesla is quietly preparing for features people have been asking for years. One of the biggest rumored additions is support for Apple CarPlay. While Tesla has historically resisted integrating CarPlay, recent back-end changes suggest they may be creating a workaround or alternative solution that delivers similar functionality. Instead of fully adopting CarPlay, Tesla might allow limited mirroring or app-level integration directly through their ecosystem. That leads us to another massive feature: AirPlay-style media streaming. Tesla is reportedly working on ways to let users stream content directly from their phone to the car's display, similar to how Apple AirPlay works. This would be a game changer for entertainment inside the car, especially during charging stops. Imagine instantly casting YouTube, Netflix, or even personal media from your phone to your Tesla screen without needing built-in apps. But Tesla isn't stopping there. The company is laying the groundwork for something even bigger: an in-car app store. Right now, Tesla vehicles come with pre-installed apps like Netflix, Spotify, and games. But an official app store would open the door for third-party developers to build apps specifically for Tesla's ecosystem. That means custom navigation tools, productivity apps, new entertainment options, and potentially even region-specific services tailored to users around the world. And the Tesla mobile app will likely be the gateway to managing all of this. From downloading apps to syncing preferences, your phone could become the control center for your entire Tesla digital experience. Now, let's talk about some features that have already been added, but most owners still don't fully use. For example, advanced charging stats. The Tesla app now provides more detailed insights into charging history, cost estimates, and efficiency tracking. This is incredibly useful for understanding how much you're actually saving compared to fuel vehicles. Another underrated feature is location-based automation. You can set your Tesla to automatically open your garage, fold mirrors, or adjust settings based on where you are. It's subtle, but once you start using it, it completely changes the ownership experience. Then there's remote camera access, one of the coolest features Tesla has introduced. Through the app, you can now view live camera feeds from your car, adding an extra layer of security. Whether you're checking on your vehicle in a parking lot or just making sure everything's okay, it's like having a security system on wheels. And let's not forget software updates. Tesla has made it easier than ever to manage updates directly from your phone. You'll get notifications, release notes, and the ability to schedule installations, all without stepping into the car. It's a small detail, but it shows how Tesla is shifting more control to the mobile experience. Looking ahead to 2026, all signs point to Tesla turning the app into something much bigger than a companion tool. This could become a fully integrated digital platform, combining AI, entertainment, vehicle control, and cloud connectivity into one seamless experience. Your Tesla won't just be a car anymore. It'll be part of a connected ecosystem where your phone, your home, and your vehicle all work together. And here's the bigger picture. Tesla isn't just improving convenience, they're redefining ownership. Traditional car companies still rely heavily on physical controls and dealership interactions, but Tesla is moving everything into software. Updates, features, diagnostics, and even customer support are increasingly handled through the app. So while it might seem like just another app update, what Tesla is actually doing is much bigger. They're building the foundation for the next generation of smart vehicles, where your phone becomes the key, the controller, the assistant, and maybe even the brain behind your car. And the craziest part? This is only the beginning.